Okay, so I've made the incision, and along the ventral side, that was very easy. And then as I cut up along, this was a little harder in here because I had to cut through muscle. So here's what it looked like before. I've already cut around everything, so now this whole section can come off. And you can see here how thick the muscle was. And so I had to kind of put my thumb in there so that I could feel where are the organs, because I certainly didn't want to cut any of the organs, and where's the muscle. And you'll notice I did not have to go all the way up to the lateral line. I did snip or cut into the air bladder right about here, and I didn't want to wreck it, and that gets kind of tucked up underneath here. So the air bladder or swim bladder does go further up in here, but I wanted to make sure that I didn't wreck it, and it's kind of easy to do because you have to cut through such thick muscle. Okay, so this is what we're having. I'm like, I didn't clean up anything extra up here, even though I cut further. I'm like, well, let's just see what we can see before we do any more cleanup dissecting. Okay, so again, I start back here at the anus, and I go, okay, what do I have going on here? I need to start separating. This structure here is definitely the liver, and it's a little bit fragile. It can break easy. All right, so now I start moving stuff along. Okay, so this tube right here is the intestine. See how it connects to the anus? So that's going to be the intestine. Nice. Okay, what about the gonad? Well, the gonad should end here and kind of come forward. So it's this organ. Let me move the liver away. Here's the gonad right here. Not as developed as we saw in the model, but this is what it actually looks like. Okay, so that you can see how it kind of comes up. That's the gonad. And behind that, right here, is the swim bladder. So I'm kind of holding the liver carefully because it'll break off and I might not be able to. This here's the swim bladder. Gonad. What about that kidney? Where'd it go? Well, remember how I said the kidney is up behind the swim bladder? I'm going to have to do careful. It's brown. It's a darker brown color, and I can start to see it right here. So I'm going to carefully pull the swim bladder forward and see if I can see more of the kidney, but I'm going to have to do that very carefully. Okay. The heart is very dark and up in this region. I'm going to clean this up just a little bit to see if I can get a better view of the heart. I'm going to, as I clean that up, that's going to help me find the stomach, which should be in here, but the liver's kind of hiding it. And I don't want to wreck things, so let's take a picture of this, let's do some cleanup, and then we'll come back and see what we can see.